Today I will show love to my family.
Good morning, baby.
Good morning, Mommy.
Look, Mommy, I can help.
Yes, baby, but remember, cooking takes patience and care.
Oops.
Careful, baby.
Baby, will you help me tidy the home? Yes, Daddy. Look, Daddy.
That's okay, baby. Teamwork makes it fun.
For you, Grandma. Oh, my. Thank you, my sweet baby.
For you, Grandpa.
This is the most special treasure of all.
I'll help, Mommy.
Don't worry, little one. Accidents happen. We fix them together.
We did it together.
That's right. Teamwork saves the day.
And patience keeps the soup safe.
Here you go, my baby.
Yum! Thank you, Mommy.
This is the best seed in the sea.
A meal tastes better when family means love and care.
Baby,
you are right.
that's my little champ. So
I love my family.
Come here, baby. Let's give you a big hug.
Get ready for Daddy's hug.
We love you, baby shark.
And I love you too.
You make our family shine.
our little star. Love makes bubbles of happiness.
Wow, it's so shiny.
The light shines because our love shines. Love makes our home bright.
Look, everyone, I can dance.
Bravo, baby! Keep dancing! Go, baby, go!
Let's hold fins and dance together in a circle.
Yes, baby, together.
A family.
Look, everyone! Bubbles of love.
Yes, baby, our love makes magic.
Let's fill.
So many bubbles. They're beautiful, baby.
They're like a bubble parade.
So fun.
Baby, fun is even better when we share it together.
I could dance all day with my family.
Family love is the greatest treasure of all.
Even better than shiny pebbles?
Yes, baby. Treasures can break.
Then I promise I will always love and care for my family.
And we will always love you, baby.
That's my champ. I love you all so much. We love you too.
Nothing makes me happier than this family hug.
Look.
Our love bubbles are filling the ocean.
Yes, baby. Our love reaches everywhere.
This is the best day ever.
Because we're together.
Our family is everything.